can't stop time to try to. It just goes past and I can't seem to catch it. No, I can't see, no, I can't. And I can't slow down to try to. I move too fast and I just end up crashing. Just don't let me go. Swear you'll keep me close when I fly to the west side.